Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute since I've had a chance to put out a video for you guys. The weather's finally cooperating. It's been freezing cold here and snowy, so it's about time I got back and uploaded another video. If you know me and you follow the channel for a while, I love ambient lighting for my Tesla. I think adding ambient lighting to the interior, exterior, all around the car, it's a really cool way to make your car stand out, especially for Teslas. In this video, we're going to be installing some custom puddle lights that I got from Pimp My EV. They're really exciting. I'm really excited to show you guys this. Let's get into it. So as I mentioned in the intro, I've installed puddle lights on my Tesla before. I've changed out the actual puddle light, which just shines a light on the ground, into an actual logo, the Tesla logo. I love how they look. It really sets off the car when you open all four doors when you get out of the car and walk around. I got these custom puddle lights from Pimp My EV. Really proud and happy to partner with them as a sponsor for this channel. I think they add so many different accessories to the Tesla community. I'm really excited to share these with you guys. When I say custom puddle lights, I mean custom. They can do any design you can think of and turn it into a puddle light for your Tesla door. I think that's so cool. As you saw in the thumbnail, I have a couple different puddle lights here that I want to show off to you guys today, but I'm really excited that I got to partner with them, create my own designs for my puddle lights, and really kind of show them what they're all about. So let's crack into one of these, and I want to show you kind of everything that comes with in the package. As you open these up, they're nicely packaged. They really give you some awesome instructions, some tools on how to align the actual logo in the way that you want, some instructions there. And I want to show you guys the puddle lights themselves. These are super high quality puddle lights with a metal heat sink on the back. So you're not going to have any shorts, any problems with running these in your Tesla. They're really high quality puddle lights. You won't have any issues on any of your four doors running these. I saw a lot of issues with older style puddle lights where people say that they'll roll up your windows, they'll crack your windows and things like that when shutting your doors. Not with these puddle lights. They're really high quality. They take a lot of pride and care in the products they make. I really want to take some time and show you guys how to install these puddle lights. It couldn't be any simpler. They're really just plug and play. You pop out your old puddle light down underneath your door here and you pop in the new ones. And then you align that logo with a little alignment tool they have there. So let's hop down there and I'll show you guys how to get these installed. So as I mentioned, it's actually a very simple procedure to change out your puddle lights. I like to use a flathead screwdriver and just kind of find one of the edges on either side where I can actually get that flathead screwdriver in there and just start prying out the old puddle light. Be gentle with it. It doesn't take a ton of force to pop these out. You want to make sure that you don't lose the little cable back up inside when it comes time to plugging in your new one. When you have your puddle light actually removed and dangling by the cord, you might need to use your flathead screwdriver just to depress on the little lever to unplug the cord there. It's very, very simple. Once you get that unplugged, go ahead and plug in your new puddle light, tuck the cord and the wire back up inside the door, and then pop the new light into the old housing, and you're done. So I was able to change out all four puddle lights in about 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. It's super simple. It's such an easy process. And you'll have custom puddle lighting for whatever you want. It's an awesome feature. Let's see how it turned out. Well, I couldn't be happier with how these puddle lights turned out. I love the Chiefs. I think they're really going to win, and it's super timely. They're going to the Super Bowl this weekend, so I really hope they can pull out that three-peat. Don't dislike this video just because I like the Chiefs. Don't be a hater. But I just appreciate you guys coming back to the channel and checking it out with me. Again, a big thank you to Pimp My EV for sending these over to me. I've never seen another company do this level of customization with their puddle lights. It's really cool to be able to customize your Tesla to how you like it, and I think that's awesome. They also sent me over a second set of puddle lights, which is my channel name, Gamble 1080. So how cool. I get to kind of advertise my car around out in public too. So appreciate them a lot for sending this over to me. Real quick, the installation of these, super simple. 10 out of 10. Couldn't be any easier. Plug and play. You pop out the old lights, you plug the new ones in. That little alignment tool is really nice too in case you want to change the alignment of your logos. Mine came perfect right from them. So just appreciate that as well. Big thank you guys to coming back and checking out the channel. I know it's been a minute since my last upload, but I still plan to have regular content. I have lots of awesome stuff to review and show you guys, so stick around. Feel free to like and subscribe. If you're interested in this product, I'll leave a link to it down in the description from Pimp My EV, as well as use code GAMBLE1080 right here on the screen to make sure you save at checkout whenever you order anything from Pimp My EV. It really helps out the channel and lets them know that I sent you their way. If you're interested in anything else I reviewed on the channel, make sure you check out my link tree down in the description. A link to my link tree. They'll have everything that I've reviewed for my Tesla. There's a video associated with every one of those products. So if you're curious about something, you want to customize your Tesla, check it out. And again, thank you for coming back. Feel free to like and subscribe. I appreciate all you guys and the love for this channel. And I will definitely catch you in the next episode. Thanks.